it is 8:37, January 7th, 2011, and I am tired. I am sitting in my bed, in my room, ready to go to sleep. I'm just so tired. But I will stick with you and tell you about my day because I feel like that's important. Kind of. I'm not going to talk about classes because classes are not fun. Nobody likes classes. And I'm sure you're an adult watching this and you don't want to hear about classes. And if you're a teenager, heck no, you don't want to hear about classes because you've been there all day. So I'm going to talk about fun stuff. Fun to me, maybe not to you. First off, I'm reading Twilight. I refused to read Twilight at the beginning, but I was like, I'll read it because the movie was, okay, you may want to like shoot me in the face or something for saying this, but the movie's awful. I'm sorry. It's just the dialogue. It's just so scattered and it's just like, I'm going to the store to buy milk. And then Edward's like, you're going to the store to buy milk? I mean, seriously, who writes like that? I mean, turn me into a vampire. No, I don't want to turn you into a vampire. You don't want this life, Bella. I mean, seriously? I mean, I loved him in Harry Potter, but not in Twilight. I mean, yeah, he's cute. Taylor Lautner is cute, but no, can't. So hopefully the book's going to be better than the movie. Second off, plays. I'm doing a play. I'm going to do a play called Back to the 80s. And we auditioned for this yesterday and today. And it's fun. It's going to be a fun play. I auditioned for 3 roles. Or I read for 3 roles at least. And so I'm ordering sushi. I read for 3 roles. And I read for Debbie, Laura, and Miss Brannigan. I think, maybe not. Wait, is that the... That's the mean woman in Annie, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Miss Brannigan. Anyways, Miss something. I don't know. And Mr. Crocker, our play director changed his name. It's not Mr. Crocker. You can imagine what it probably is. So, yeah, auditioning for plays. A lot of fun. My favorite one that I auditioned for, though, was Debbie, because Debbie is ditzy. I mean, it doesn't say that Debbie's ditzy, but I added that anyways, because it's fun to make Debbie ditzy. Rhymes. Debbie ditzy. It's fun to make Debbie ditzy. Try saying that 5 times fast. It's fun to make Debbie ditzy. Because, I don't know, it's just fun. So I really want that role. My hair's gonna be dead after this play. Because, I mean, it's the 80s. Come on. We have a lot of people trying out for this play. We had, 15, maybe 15 last year try out and make it. I mean, everybody makes it. But 30 this year. 30 tried out yesterday. And today it was like 10 more? Yeah, not enough room on the stage. Yeah, we tried to dance. We tried to dance today. It didn't turn out well. So that. I have clips of that I will show you. I promise I'll show you those clips. Yeah. Show you those clips. And clips of my day-to-day. This will be something that will regularly happen. I will regularly I'm scared to do this. I will regularly, no, hold up. I will regularly, okay. I'm going to show you that every show, every video. There you go. They will be shown every video. So expect those. What else? World news. Birds. Birds and fish. Okay, I have my own theory that you may think is crazy, but I think there's something in the water. And I'm not a big, every time there's something that goes wrong, I blame it on terrorists person. I'm not one of those people. But I think this may have something to do with terrorists. Because, I don't know, it's just too weird for it. I mean, come on. There's birds dropping dead in different countries. Seriously? I mean, it started out in, like, Arkansas, didn't it? I mean, that's what I heard. And then it was in Louisiana, and then I heard it was in Sweden. And now it's here, in Tennessee. It's here in Tennessee. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen birds dropping from the sky in mass quantities. But yeah, I don't think it's global warming, because I don't believe that global warming is true. I don't think it's 2012, because I also don't think that's true. I just think, I don't know. Okay, the reason I think it's in the water is because there was this river in New Zealand, I want to say, that turned green for an hour or something like that, and then just turned back to normal. I mean, what? All right. Yeah, this river just turned green out of nowhere. I mean, I think it's the water. I think there's something in the water. But, yeah. That was basically my day. That's all we talked about today. Dead birds, play tryouts, and Twilight. That's a good first video. Yeah, that's good video for a first video. Oh, this is my first video, by the way. It's not the first video I've recorded, but it is my first video that you're going to see, because all the videos that I've recorded have been upside down or sideways. And I don't know what's going on. I'm recording on my iPod because I don't have a good camera. So I'm recording on my iPod. And if you turn it a certain way, it makes you upside down. See that look? I'm upside down. At least I think I am. So I'm gonna turn back around. Or if I do this, I think now I'm sideways. To me, I look like I'm normal, but obviously not. It'll probably turn out that I'm recording this whole thing upside down. That'll be my luck. So, you have a good day, or whatever time. I mean, I think in England or Britain or whatever you want to say, it's, I don't know. I have no idea. So yeah. Oh, clips. I'll show you the clips. Here they come. Enjoy. But see you, because I'm done. So, enjoy the clips. Hello. So, actually, good morning. Sitting in the bedroom alone.
Did you get the pod?
Yes.
Oh, I did too. Maybe I'm just
Stop.
stupid. What do they have for breakfast? You look like an idiot.
Brownie. You are an idiot.
No, I'm not. If I was an idiot, I would look like one. So.
Someone needs to spot
Where to go?
breakfast.
Okay.
Did you just fall off the podium?
No, I didn't.
Ooh, I like those muffins. I like those brownies, boy. Hello.
Tara, just read Michael. Doesn't matter.
Random FaceTime.
Page 55. Jackie, read Billy.
My deputies will be Billy Arnold and Tiffany Houston and Cindy Gibson, who I'm sure needs no introduction. Right, guys?
I think Michael is going to ask you to the prom. Jeez, that would be so awesome. So hot. Now tell me what your name is. Lauren. Lauren what? McDonald. Okay, Lauren McDonald. I couldn't remember you yesterday, but we had a thing on there that said good reading, and I couldn't catch your face. So you're Lauren McDonald.